issue, which was approved on the 14th of January in our extraordinary general meeting of shareholders, would result in share conversions by bondholders only for those where the formal conversion requests have been received by us. And future conversions will depend upon how many requests we receive and will be staggered thereafter. What this does basically is that every time a conversion request is received, we do not have to hold an extraordinary general meeting again and again. We now have a blanket permission in future to issue those shares which are converted from MCBs. The current conversion price, the pending shares that we have to convert up to 10th of December 21 are at 73 rupiah per share. And from 11th of December 21 for the next 1 year, the conversion price would be 80. So we are not aiming to convert all 103 billion shares. It'll be far lower than that. It'll be based on whatever requests we have received, which I think is about 30 or 35 billion.
Will you mention to us who is the investors are ready to absorb Bumi private placements?
Well, the investors essentially are those that were involved in our debt restructuring in 2017 in the PKPU endorsement by the court. They are largely our overseas long-term lenders, there are banks, and there is CIC. Now, these would be the three categories of people who will be given the shares. This share issue is not open to every shareholder. It is just those who have subscribed to the OWKs or who were issued mandatory convertible bonds in 2017, as per the PKPU ruling.
Okay, what will the impact of private placements on Bumi Finance? Can it increase the profitability margins?
Definitely. Basically, it means that when all the mandatory convertible bonds get converted into shares, this can cut interest costs by about $30 or $40 million a year. This will improve profit and hopefully liquidity as well, which will enable us accelerate the repayment of our balance debt.
This is including, will Bumi be able to pay its short-term liabilities of $1.3 billion US?
Well, we are already repaying tranche A, most likely this month, this year. We expect tranche A to be fully paid this year, and we hope to commence tranche B once tranche A is paid around the middle of this year. And efforts are on to restructure the rest of our debt as well, which remains. And it will, of course, be extremely helpful if the authorities and the government could confirm our IUPK status to KPC. That can also help accelerate this debt restructuring process.
Untuk mengetahui informasi lebih lengkap dan berita terkait, silakan klik link di deskripsi. Dan jangan lupa untuk install aplikasi CNBC Indonesia yang tersedia di App Store dan Play Store. Dan jangan lupa subscribe ya.